What's up, guys? How are you doing today? Hope you're doing well. Welcome to my weekly overview on NAS100, and I'll also look to do an overview on gold later on in the video. But yeah, this is just what I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to show you guys what I'm looking at on the week, what are my possibility for what a movement can be, what I'm looking at for the week, my weekly drawn liquidity basically, and then yeah, then I'm also going to show you, just analyze and show you guys what I'm thinking on market open. So yeah, please enjoy the video, and I'm going to be posting this video to my TikTok and to my YouTube. If you guys do have any questions for me, please leave them in the comment section, and please leave a like and drop a follow. Yeah, thanks guys. Let's get right into the video, and yeah, like I said, please enjoy the video and let me know if you've got any questions. Alright, monthly time frames. Let's go straight into the monthly. First thing I'm seeing on the monthly is I got my all-time high right here. First thing I'm noticing on the monthly time frame is my all-time high. That's all I'm seeing because now you can clearly see we've got an uptrend on the monthly time frame. So I'm good. My monthly is bullish. All I'm annotating here or marking out is my all-time high. And then when you go to the weekly, okay, on the weekly time frame, what do we see here? On the weekly time frame, you can clearly see that we broke structure towards the downside on the weekly time frame. The BOS for short, which means break of structure, we broke this low because you can see market is consistently making higher lows, and then boom, we broke structure towards the downside with a full body, uh, with a full candle close. Excuse me. You can also see that, also note that when you break structure towards the downside on the weekly time frame, it means you do get a pullback or a retrace. On the monthly time frame, you can see this candle used to be all the way down here. Price has used to be all the way down here. Just like you can see on the weekly, price came all the way down here. When you break structure to the downside on the weekly, you can definitely see a retracement on the monthly with a unless price gives me a full close on the next monthly candle below this low, then you can expect some bearishness. But for now, I'm just keeping it as a retracement on the monthly time frame until we get that full candle close on the monthly. So yeah, we got this weekly drawn liquidity right there. This is my main point of this is my main target point, my drawn liquidity. This is what I'm looking at in the next week. So this, because the reason I'm looking at that is because my weekly down to my 5 minute where I usually take my execution is all those time frames are bearish. So yeah, when you go to your, okay, you can clearly see that we've got a bearish order block over here. I'm just marking this out really quickly. You can see that price actually came back into that bearish order block over there, and also just tapped in. Did we tap into this fair value gap right there? This bearish fair value gap over here. Let me just have a look. See, yeah, like literally just tapped it and then went straight down. Okay, so you can see clearly my weekly is bearish. My weekly time frame is bearish. We tap into my bearish weekly order block right there. We drop down to the daily time frame. I'm just doing some little bit of a longer term analysis here, but we'll drop into what I'm looking at for market open as well. And please excuse all the background noise you're hearing, if you do hear any, but the bird that's chirping, it's my pet. He's in my room, so please excuse that. Yeah, my videos are unedited. I just post them as I do them, but obviously I do some retakes and stuff, but there's no edits in my videos or anything. I record them and then I post them. That's what I do. But maybe later on they'll get better as I grow as a trader and just in general making videos and stuff. But yeah, like I said in previous videos as well on my YouTube channel, I enjoy making videos, and this is just for my own, how can I say, for my own study purposes. So yeah, if I go back and look at the videos, I use it to journal my trades, like I do trade recaps and stuff as well. So yeah, please go have a look at my YouTube channel, my TikTok people. I will put the link in my bio for my YouTube channel. If you guys want to go have a look, you can. If you don't want to, that's also fine. But yeah, thank you guys, and let's carry on with the video. As you can see on the daily time frame, we also have visual liquidity. This daily low. Okay, so mainly what I'm looking at here is you can obviously see that we swept liquidity on the daily time frame for these highs and these daily highs right there. You know why I'm saying we swept liquidity? Because that liquidity sweep, this sell side liquidity sweep was confirmed by this break of structure towards the downside, confirming that price wants to continue lower towards the downside. Because the reason I'm saying that, if you do get a break of structure to the upside on the daily time frame, if you go to your weekly, you can clearly see that we get a retrace on the weekly time frame towards the upside as well. So yeah, this is what confirmed that liquidity sweep for me is this break of structure. If you go on your daily time frame, you can also see the order block. There's a bearish order block that caused um, this break of structure towards the downside. Let's mark that out quickly. Bearish, excuse me guys, bearish OB. Alright, you can clearly see that we break structure with this down close candle, and then immediately after tap back into our bearish order block right there, and then then we get that continuation towards the downside as well. So yeah, like I said, my draw on the week is going to be these lows over here at 17,263.3, unless we see something that we want to, but something that changes my mind. But if I see something, okay, my bias maybe changes on the week, or I doubt it, but we'll see what happens. I cannot predict the market. I do not know what's going to happen. But what I'm looking at is your basic textbook market structure is going to be a lower high, and then a lower low. It's just how your trend goes. So yeah, it's just a formation of a trend on the weekly time frame. That's why I'm also expecting the daily to move down as well. So yeah, it's just something that I'm looking at there. And also, if you go on the 4-hourly time frame, you can also see, please excuse, this is our higher time frame annotations that I made here, or whatever you want to call it. I'm not sure if I'm using the right word there, but anyways, you can see on the 4-hourly we're also clearly bearish right there, and we also got some more drawn liquidities for the high of this bullish free value gap on the 4-hourly time frame. This 4-hourly low, everything in that everything in that line. So yeah, this is actually just a big draw on liquidity for me. This section as well. This bullish order block right there. Oh, very bullish fair value gap. Got this low right there. Also this 4-hourly low that's not been taken yet. But yeah, it's just something I'm looking at as well on the week. But my entire weekly bias is going to be bearish. So yeah, if you go to the 1-hourly time frame, you can also see that we are bearish. But okay, enough talking about my overview of the week. Let me actually just go to what I'm seeing for market open here. If you can clearly see that we formed a bearish fair value gap on the 4-hourly time frame right there. Excuse me, guys. Yo, feels like I want to sneeze here. We got this very fair value gap right there. Got this draw. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my hourly time frame and mark out my market open. So what I trade is I use the ICT silver bullet strategy in confluence with some other things. Just marking out the time I'm trading. This is when I'll start looking for my setups, and then from 10 to 11, which is my AM session, I'm looking for executions. So I'm possibly looking at price, maybe drawing into this bullish fair value gap and then giving us a retrace to the upside and then pushing down. But we'll see. We'll see. You cannot predict the market. You cannot. If you go to the 30-minute time frame, or let me not. You can predict the market, but you don't know what's going to happen. So if you have a prediction and it's correct, you predicted it. But it's I don't know what the right word is for that, but you don't know what's going to happen. Let me say that. You don't know what's going to happen in the market, so you have to wait on your confluences to be met or your trading setup to be respected, if I can say it like that. But yeah, at market open, I'm looking at price possibly trading a bit lower and then coming into my fair value gap or coming straight into my bearish fair value gap of bearish 4 hourly fair value gap and then possibly pushing lower. But yeah, that's just something I'm looking at. Obviously, when I'm trading, I want to record the trade and then also try and post it live for you guys, and then just make a live trade and obviously a trade recap video as well. Just excuse the WhatsApps coming through here. Alright, so yeah, that's basically what I'm looking at. I'm sorry if I confused any of you guys, but if you do have any questions, please leave them in the comment section, and then I'll get back to you guys. Yeah, I'm still a trader. Please keep in mind that I'm still learning. I'm still a new trader, and yeah, my goal is to be profitable. I've been trading for a while, but I've been unprofitable. I've been losing money. I'm trying to improve myself. I've ran through TJR. I don't know if you guys know him. Tyler is his name. I went through his boot camp, his trading transformation. I did all those things, and he's actually a mentor that helped me a lot, if I can say it like that. He's improved my my view on market structure, how I take my trades, and yeah, there's some of the videos of ICT I also watched, but like I don't really understand ICT's videos, so I went over to TJR because it simplifies it more, if I can say it like that. This stuff works better for me than ICT does. I'm not saying ICT is not working, but I like the way Tyler explains, the way Tyler explains than ICT explains. I like it more the way he explains than ICT. So yeah, sorry for repeating myself now. I confused myself. Sorry, but yeah, like I said, I like the way Tyler explains. Then yeah, he explains better to me. I understand better what he's saying than I understand what ICT is saying. So yeah, that sounds a bit better. Yeah. So I think that's it, guys. Yeah, just remember to keep pushing. Try and become a better trader, guys. You'll not regret this if you have this income skill, your high income skill. This really is a high income skill for you guys if you want to learn it. Um, I just know I won't regret what I'm doing now. I'll just have to keep pushing and stick to my plan, my trading plan. And yeah, I'd like to start a community, but let's just build our following first, one step at a time. We take it slow and we'll be patient. Um, and please excuse if the videos are a bit low quality. They'll get better with time. As I get better, my videos will get better. Everything will grow with me. So yeah, my editing skills will grow if I edit my videos, stuff like that. So Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. And okay, no, wait. No, let's not. We're not ending it off there. Where is? Let's have a look. Ha. Let me have a look at my. Let's have a look at US30. Why not? Let's have a look at it while I'm here. Right. If you look at US30, we are bullish on the monthly time frame. Also, immediately seeing my all-time high. We go to the weekly time frame. Aha! Look what I'm seeing here. We are bullish on the weekly time frame as well. So we already got we are all bullish on the monthly and on the weekly. Excuse me. We got this weekly bullish fair value gap. Let's mark that out for you guys quickly. Fair value gap right there. When you go to your then I drop down to my daily time frame. Oh, look at what we have in here. Like I explained on NASDAQ, you can see, all right, boom, we retraced on the weekly time frame into this daily or weekly bullish fair value gap. But look at what we're looking at. Look at this. Look at what we are seeing on the daily time frame right now. What I'm loving. This is why I would not have understood this type of trading or market structure if it wasn't for TJR. Like seriously, that guy just explained so well. Okay, you can clearly see on the daily time frame, we've got a push down and then a push up. You push down and then a push up. We broke structure towards the downside on the daily time frame, which we got our break of structure. We also got our fair value gap right here, a bearish daily fair value gap. Let's just mark out my FEG fair value gap. Just FEG, if FVG is just a short way of typing out. It saves space and it saves time and what on your charts for fair value gap. It's just fair value gap for short. Okay, then you go on a 4-hourly time frame. Daily time frame, you can see we break structure to the downside on the daily time frame, which causes a retrace on the weekly time frame. So yeah, what I'm looking at is I'm looking at price possibly can be drawing. Price possibly can be drawing lower into closing out this entire fair value gap right there. But also we do have price just reaching in there. But I wanna see price actually come a bit lower into equilibrium right there. So yeah, a possibility for the week will be price drawing lower. Obviously within the next day's trading, it's going to be drawing lower into our weekly equilibrium right there. So yeah, we also got a little fair value gap right here, this low, and we got this daily fair value gap over here, and also this one that got filled with last week's close. So if you go on the 4-hourly time frame, you can see price swept out these lows, which is my daily lows over here. Okay, when I go to my 4-hour, you can see we are bearish on the 4-hourly as well, but what I would be looking at is price breaking structure towards the upside on the 4-hourly time frame, which I would not be trading US30 by the way. It's just a something I would like to look at because it's interesting to practice and to keep track of what you have predicted or thought of the market or thought of something that would happen and see your analysis play out in that way. So yeah, if we do break this high towards the upside on the 1 hourly time frame, we can expect a nice push up on the 4 hourly. So yeah, if we do break break structure back to the upside on the hourly, we can expect a retrace on the 4 hourly time frame, possibly filling in this very dramatic gap right there and dropping lower. But what I want to see on the daily time frame is price form a lower high in this high and then price breaking it for that continuation towards the upside. But for now, because it's going to be confusing for my biases won't align this week on that on US30. That's what I'm going to be looking at as well when I'm trading. If I got my 1 hourly time frame right there, you can clearly see that we got this high over here. If we do break structure to the upside, we can possibly draw back into this bullish bearish order block right there. Also have this 4 hourly bearish fair value gap right there. So yeah, if we do break structure back to the upside on the 4 hourly time frame, I would expect a retracement on the daily time frame, which could possibly look at, then I could start looking for a scalp trade. But for now, this is what I'm looking at for US30. I'm not going to be trading US30, it's just a suggestion. Or I just want to see how my analysis plays out on this. So yeah, I actually already made a thumbnail. I was planning to look at gold as well, but from a thumbnail for my YouTube channel and a cover for my TikTok channel on this video. But I'm just going to go and edit and change that stuff a bit. So yeah, I don't think I'm going to look at gold right now. I think that's what I'm going to be looking at, and that's my weekly overview. And also, let me do something real quick. I just want to go to Forex Factory right now. This is where I check my news. Forex Factory. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. Right. So, Monday, 9th of September. We are looking good. We're going to be trading. Tuesday, 8 a.m. GBP. Okay, Tuesday we are good. We don't. The NAS100 doesn't involve any GBP pairs or what. So I'm good. I'm good with that. Wednesday. Okay, we've got CPI. Core CPI month to month. CPI month to month, and then CPI year to year. I'm not going to be trading on Wednesday at all. Thursday, we've got core PPI month to month, PPI month to month, and then unemployment claims. Also not trading on Thursday. Because I'm still new, I'm trying to stay away from high news, from what can I say, from high impact news days. My plan says to do is to stay away from CPI, PPI, FOMC, and NFP. I stay away from those days. I'm not interested in trading those days at all. I know it's volatile and what. Some people like to trade news, but I don't like trading news. It's just not for me. If you want to do it, go for it. It's your choice, your trading career. You can do whatever you like. But yeah, like I said, Wednesday and Thursday I'm not trading. Friday I'm going to be trading. So Monday, Tuesday I'm trading, and then Friday I'm trading. Wednesday and Thursday I will not be trading, and then yeah, that's what I'm looking at on the week. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Please enjoy your week. Please trade safe, and I hope you guys become profitable and great traders. Bye bye, guys.